Yeah. So today our aim is to see what are the version controls we are using, what is the repository we are using, and how the code, where how the users was fetching the code from repository and do the changes, and how we are going to be manage and match the code to our branches. Okay. So we just want to learn, and just if you're unable to understand this and don't be cool, so because we have video, right, you can repeat it, because since we have other resources like the best example is Raju, so we learned very quick. Okay. Yeah. So actually, so, yeah. So this one, sorry. Actually, our repositories we are using the same as per the standards. Uh, thus, should have only the one we are using. So these are the projects available in our repository. So currently, actively we are working for the e-payments and as well as services. These two projects, and this is the corporate side which we have, right? So this is the corporate side. Publicly, this code is available. Don't worry, who anyone can take download and they can use. But since we will hide that secrets from somewhere, client ID secrets we have, right, related to the control panel and as well as connection string, we'll hide somewhere. But time being, these are the two active projects we are using. So I'll take this e-payments right away to our demonstration. So like how we are going. So here, when you connect it to this URL, yes, when you move to this URL, then paste here. This is our repository URL. We call VSTS Visual Studio.
And now we are not
VS.
able to see your screen.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Now are you able to see?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Yes. Since when you take this URL, this is Azure DevOps. So this is Azure DevOps URL plus. So you can take this URL. This simply this repository we are using Visual Studio Team Services. So here we have a folder called repos. Okay. So you just click on this repo. So see the project structure, everything, every file is available here. That is a master branch actually. Okay. There is a master branch inside of it. This master branch available all the latest codes. Okay. In pipelines, we have a build pipeline. Actually, this one of the pipeline, major pipeline we have. So, but we are not using the pipeline yet to be because we have to set up the DevOps. So, like, but here, go to the repos. See, like in the repos, there is a right corner, we have a clone code. So you can take this code, this URL, you can use anywhere to any like resources. Git, since this is a Git actually, Git repository. So you can download from anywhere, from the command line or from wherever, from the Visual Studio, from any extension source tree, Git extensions, whatever the things, whatever the tools you have. So you can take this URL, you copy this URL, what you will get like this. See, this is the code URL. You want to clone this code URL. So since I already cloned that URL, so this is the repository. Like this is the Git extension tool we are using. So to work with this Git extension, we need some other supported tools like since I'm working with the Git, right? So Git, we need backend. If you don't require this extension tool, if you want to work with this Git, you have to write commands, right? Command line commands. Okay. So instead of that, we don't like writing comments. We are not Linux people, right? So we always love to work with GUI features. Okay. So then I took, this is the one of the tool. So even you can took source tree. There is one source tree. This is one of the tool also available. Then other tools we have multiple. So if you really love it, take any one of it. If you're really interested, that does not matter. But inside of it, make a Git actually. Okay, Git is native backend of your extension tool. Yeah, I already installed that Git. So then I have this one. So I just want to open from the first one. So Git extension. So anyway, there are some settings actually. So set properly actually the settings. Okay. So this one actually this username password this is my username when I want to make a check in or check out. So that actually the tool will display this is my name. Okay, Durga Prasad Bhagatu. This name will display there. Hmm. So to push or pull the code, I need some valid my email ID which is available in the repository. So this email with this email ID, I have a access in my repository. So and moreover, so what are the Medge tool you are using? I said KDIF. So I'm saying about some KDIF. So I'm using as a Medge tool. This is not necessary actually. You can use Visual Studio also to match, and there are some Sublime Match and whatever. If you like any other tools, you can use as a kid as a match tools. Okay, that's up to you. But my priority is you can use this KDIF. It is a simple tool. There is no complications, no complexity. It's a very straightforward tool. Okay. And so if you've done the settings, make just okay, apply or okay, then it will open up. So like this in repositories. But since I'm interested to go with the e-payments only, right? So I selected this one. So I just want to work with the latest branch. So initially, so I need to find out where is the master branch. There is the origin master branch. I want to find out it. Okay. So when you install first time, your detection tools may like this or like this. It may have. So better view. I just hide like this. Okay. Yeah. So I just want to use the com. Yeah, this way I like it. Okay. I need to search for where is the master original master branch which is available. You can check. So here I have a master origin. Initially, first time when you're cloning the once you clone the code, automatically the origin master branch only it will check out. But if you're doing from the next onwards, you have to check out first master branch, origin master branch, check out. Yeah, here. So now actually I checked out this master branch. You can see what is the branch was checked out. Later, you can download the latest code related to this master branch from fetch all using fetch all. Okay, some latest code came to me. Someone pushed the code. You can see where is the now origin master is somewhere like here we have. So again, I need to check out this. Yeah. So now I have a origin master branch code in my local environment. So I should go and create it. I want to work with some of the tools I want to write a function for some JavaScript function. So I want to make my own branch. It's a topic branch. We call it is. You can decide whether it is a it is a feature or it is a bug. It is a change request. So if it is a feature, then add a feature 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 branch and write a topic name. What is the topic name? If I given, so I want adding uh, service messages. Okay, in JavaScript. And actually, this is my topic also. I just hit create. It was created. The branch was created and it was selected. So just minimize this and go to your Visual Studio. So that branch was actually you are not able to see because of this. So you are seeing this branch was selected, okay, from the repository of e-payments. The branch was selected. Now I want to go here. I want to add a constant in the JavaScript file. I want to add a, so just I want to add, I want to add a logger types to one of the constant. So enum, we call it. You know enum, right? In C# enum, right? In, oh yeah. What are the logger types available? Success, success, and var, var, info, error, any other? So these are the logger types available for me. So I made some changes, any one of the five. So when I go to here, there is a Git options. If you are unable to find this options, Git options, you can check here in the view. You have an option for view, go to Team Explorer or Git changes. Anyone. I choose go to Team Explorer. So here we have a Git option, Git changes. You can do whatever. I added something like what I added logger types. Logger types. So I added and I committed this code. So don't push from here, okay? You may be confused. If since you are working earlier with the Visual Studio with the DevOps, then it will be easy to you. So just commit from here. So then go to our Git extension tool and try to refresh. Okay, try to refresh. Yeah. See, this is the my topic branch. I just committed with the logger types. If you want to see what are the files I committed, later you will find it. I'll show you. See here, I committed with a message. Now what I need to do is I want to match this code with origin master branch. But I can put directly and I can merge here. But since be this time, if other resource was working in the same master branch, if someone pushed the changes and merge it to the master, so it is going to be a complicated complications is going to be get. So instead that, just make a fetch all. Just make a fetch all. If any changes already added by someone, definitely this origin master will come up. Again, you have to check out the branch and take the latest. And again, you have to check out this branch. But instead, so what I need to do is, so you already checked out, there is no changes at all from the master branch. It is already updated. So I'm interested, go and update the current branch. This merge into current branch. I'm asking master branch should merge to our current branch. So we call it as a back merge. Say from master branch to current merge. In the master branch, what is the code we have latest, right? That code we are going to merge with our topic branch. Since we already took the latest from the master, right? Before just 5 minutes before I created this branch, there is no changes in the master branch. So it is quite simple to merge. So when I hit on this merge, what will happen? See, git merge gesture already up to date, done. Okay, then the merge is complete. So again, you have to do is you have to push code. So actually, you already committed the code, you already merged the code with the master. Then your choice is this everything done in your local. It is not yet moved to the repository. So when you push this code, it will ask you some two times this pop-up. So if you want to hit on here. It will ask you to, you want to push this branch. Yes, I'm interested to push this. Actually, it was asking for a tracking. If you want to select no, that's not an issue. Since I'm interested to track this, yes, I click on this. So it was pushing the code to repository. We're pushing the code to repository. Wait, yeah, the push is complete. Now your duty is not at over it. Okay, you have to go to the repository the same way. Here, this 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 repository, like e-payments repository, and there is an option called pull request. Pull request. Okay. See, in my queue, Raj already created a one pull request for me. I need to review this. So just give me 2 minutes. I'll review this bit later. What I will do, I'm going to be create in your dashboard also. When you click on this pull request, you will receive this update. You have a update with this just now. You can create a pull request. So you can again, you can try the put branch. What is the message? Something different. I added this one, and you can choose reviewers. So without adding any the mandatory reviewers like me, by default I'm the mandatory reviewer. So if I added here, then you have to create this one. Create link is here. So you maybe due to this it is visible for you. But since I created, right? So then once you create it, you have to approve yourself first. You have to approve yourself. Then later, so who is approved for me? I need to approve because I'm the approver. So I'm an administrator for this project. So there is no one to approve. So myself, I need to complete this. So when I complete and merge, so here the merge process will do. So this is a small change, right? It was merged immediately. It's a fraction of a second. It was merged. The branch also, it was deleted already. Okay. So then now the merged code you've done already. So you can just go to your Git extensions and take a fetch all once again. See, earlier the origin master branch was somewhere in the bottom of our topic branch. Now it was moved to top because there was a in the remote server. So we have a merge. The merge number 237. We have a latest code. So again, go to here. Again, we have to check out this branch. Again, we have to check out this branch. So again, now you have a latest code. If you want to work with any other branch, you can again create a new branch and do the changes. The same process you can follow it. So meantime, there is a pull request we have right in our queue. So here in pull request, since I'm an administrator, right? I'm a reviewer. So I'm receiving this pull request. So I just click on this. What I will do, regular basis, I'll go to this files. Okay. I will check. These are the files. This Rajkumar was what are the changes was made. Okay. If the changes looks good to me, I'll approve this pull request and I'll complete it. Okay. So once the completion is done, it was matched automatically. No need to do yourself. Okay. So if I'm not feeling well, then I'll give you some comments. So if I will add instead this, can we use um, hyperlink with um, like 1000? I have some icons. So I'll give you a comment. Since I added this comment, again, Rajkumar will receive an update. In your pull request, there is a comment given by Durga Prasad. Go and resolve this. Yeah, okay. You have to resolve like this. Reply and resolve. Once you resolve, I will check again any updates we have. Here we have update section, right? So he committed the code only once. If he is pushed once again based on my comments, then he has a update. So update is the latest code is available. I will check that files again. Okay. This is the way the pull request is going to be happen. Now I'm okay. So see, he's created, he's approved himself, but I'm not approved it to be. So not yet reviewed. Okay. So when I click on this approve, when I click on this approve, and I'm going to be complete. If I'm going to be complete or you're going to be complete does not matter. But since until unless I'll approve, you are unable to complete this match. Okay. See, it was taking some time because since we have some files, right? A lot of files. Like see how many files he created on behalf of this task. He created many files, right? What he done actually inside of it, Raj? Toaster you removed. Okay, good, good. Yeah, so this branch was approved and this was deleted. So, but in my local, the Raj code is not available. See, this is 237 merge number. You can see the latest merge number is, you can see here, the latest number is the PR number, which is PR was earlier one. This was number, I think 89, and it is 90. Okay, so when you click on this again, fetch all. See, again, it went to top because we have some changes from Raju. Okay, we have a changes from Raju. Approved by me. See, that's approved by me. Authored because who done the changes? Raju. Raju has done the changes and Durga Prasad Bhagat was committed. So I have to take the latest branch again. Okay. So yes, guys. So this is the process and regular basis. We are going to be working with version controls. Okay. So our repository was Visual Studio Team Services, and our version control was we using Git, and we have a top of it. We have a GUI feature with Git extensions. Okay. So this is the way you have to work with the regular basis. Like you have to take the latest from master and create your own topic branch, and then work with whatever the changes you want to them, do it, and later commit them and come to the Git extensions. Try to take the latest from the master and try to back merge to your topic. If you merge successful, then push the code to repository and go to the repository, create your pull request, and add your reviewer will review. If any comments, take the latest code again, do the changes, push the code once again. Don't create another branch. Okay. Don't create another branch. Just within the same branch. If you have any review comments, work in the same branch, push that code to again the same pull request. No need to create once again. Already you have a pull request, right? It will go as a update, one of the update. So reviewer will get the latest files from your server. Okay. Yeah. So I moment. Moment.